Please practice with watch and speak, first as a student, then as a teacher.
Hello. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your English teacher. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Are you excited to learn and practice English today?
Yes, I am, but I'm a bit nervous. English is new to me.
Don't worry, Alex. Everyone starts somewhere. We'll take it slow and make it fun. Let's start with some basic greetings. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Great job. Now, let's try asking someone how they are. Say, how are you?
How are you?
Perfect. Now, I'll respond, I'm fine, thank you. Repeat after me. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, let's move on to introducing yourself. You can say, my name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
Please like and subscribe our channel. It will help us to grow.
Wonderful. And you can ask someone their name by saying, what's your name?
What's your name?
You're getting the hang of it, Alex. Lastly, let's practice some basic questions. Repeat after me. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Very good. You can answer by saying, I'm from America.
I'm from Brazil.
Perfect. You're doing great, Alex. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Thank you, Sarah. This is really helpful.
You're welcome, Alex. Keep practicing, and you'll improve your English in no time. If you have any questions or want to practice more, feel free to ask.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem, Alex. Have a great day, and keep up the good work.
Please like and subscribe our channel.